If you are ever tried to lose weight, you have probably heard it more than once. Drinking more water to help you lose more weight. So, can drinking water really help you lose weight? The short answer is yes. In this video, we are going to see the important things to know about the importance of drinking water to lose weight. Drinking water helps boost your metabolism, cleans your body of waste, and acts as an appetite suppressant. Also, drinking more water helps your body stop retaining water, leading you to drop those extra pounds of water weight. Water aids digestion and promotes the normal functioning of many body organs, including the liver. Lack of regular intake of water will slow digestion, defeat fat metabolism, and give you the feelings that you are bloated and tired. Drinking sufficient quantity of water increases the rate at which our liver burns off fat. If you drink inadequate quantities of water, your liver ends up working exhaustively, thus storing more fat as it becomes difficult to burn fat more effectively. If you want to lose weight, you should drink a minimum 8-ounce glasses of water per day. However, to really get the process of losing, drink half your body weight in ounce every day. So, if your weight is 180 pounds, you should drink about 90 ounces of water a day, roughly 11 glasses of water. Drinking ice cold water helps boost your metabolism because your body has to work harder to warm the water up, therefore burning more calories and helping you to lose weight. Plus, ice cold water is just so much more refreshing than water at room temperature. Replace sweetened drinks with water. Instead of drinking soda, alcoholic beverages, smoothies, and other high-calorie drinks, grab a glass or bottle of water. Swapping in a 0-calorie beverage for high-calorie alternatives can spare you hundreds of calories per day, further aiding in weight loss. Drink water before you eat. Drinking water before meals can make you feel more full and therefore reduce your food intake as it acts like an appetite suppressant. Health resource website WebMD states that drinking water before meals results in an average reduction intake of 75 calories per meal. Drinking water before just one meal per day would cause you to ingest 27,000 fewer calories per year. Do the math, you would lose about 8 pounds per year in just from drinking water. Now imagine if you drank it before each meal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.